Section 2, Characteristics of Chemical Change, ChemTalk, Tests for Chemicals, Chemical Tests for Gases. In this investigation, you focused on chemical reactions, those processes that result in the formation of new products. You also tested for the presence of some of the new materials. You used chemical tests to identify the unknown substances. A chemical test is a form of a diagnostic test. To test for the presence of oxygen, you introduce a glowing splint into a test tube with a small amount of gas. If the splint bursts into a flame, then you know that the gas is oxygen. When you introduce a burning splint into a test tube and hear a loud pop, you assume the gas present to be hydrogen. In this investigation, you tested for the presence of carbon dioxide. Since carbon dioxide does not burn or support burning, by using a glowing or burning splint, you could not tell if a gas was carbon dioxide. If the splint is extinguished, you can say that the gas is neither oxygen nor hydrogen and therefore could be carbon dioxide. The test for carbon dioxide uses lime water, a clear, colorless solution of calcium hydroxide and water. When you blew bubbles into the test tube, you were actually blowing some carbon dioxide from your lungs into the lime water. The carbon dioxide reacted with the calcium hydroxide, forming a precipitate. The precipitate caused the lime water to turn cloudy in appearance. Indicators for acids and bases. When acids and bases are involved in a chemical reaction, the appearance of the products is often very similar to the appearance of the reactants. You will learn more about acids and bases in a later section. Therefore, indicators are used to determine the presence of an acid or base. Substances that change color when they react with an acid or base are called acid-base indicators. In this investigation, you used phenol red, an acid-base indicator that turns yellow in the presence of an acid. Chemists use a great variety of acid-base indicators. You may also have used litmus in previous science classes. It is a very common indicator used in school laboratories.